Hello, Richard here from Eagle6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Sopmod M4, the NGRS variant. This one has had a custom front end installed, which you can see there. So this is from a CYMA replica. So we removed the front end off the CYMA. We modified the outer barrel to fit with the NGRS gun, because obviously they have different specific outer barrels, and this has already had a DMR conversion to it. So obviously all we had to do was do the cosmetic changes. We did, however, fit a slightly longer inner barrel to obviously match the new front end. We also installed a trigger pin which goes onto the bit here, so just to stop the original one falling out. And I put in a slightly stronger recoil spring in there as well, because I noticed that hadn't been done. So yeah, I mean, it's yeah, like I say, it's all tested and working. I think it's about 250, I think 259, I think, on 0.43, so it's definitely up there, and I'll make sure that's written on the back end. And we just want to demonstrate it working for you. There we go, so it's all tested, working. We've done our range testing, we're happy with the build, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.